Hi, my name's Errol. I'm a Biripi man from Taree in New South Wales. And today we're going to be talking about one of the most popular plants in Australia, the lemon myrtle. The botanical name is Bacchausia citridoria. It belongs in the family called the Myrtaceae family, which is a close cousin to the eucalypt. The plant was typically used by Aboriginal people for thousands of years for medicinal purposes and also in cooking. The plant will grow up to around about 3 to 5 metres high and about 3 metres width, and so can grow quite large. It is a native of southeast Queensland and northern New South Wales, so it really does like that subtropical heat and climates of Australia. But though will grow in most areas, just not in the cold climates. So we're going to be talking about the 3 states of matter today, one being a solid, which is the leaf of the lemon myrtle. So the next state of matter is liquid. And so this liquid, we've made a tea out of it. And so by steeping the leaves into some hot water for around about 10 minutes, or just till we see a real change of colour, we'll give you that liquid form from the solid form. The final form of matter that we're looking at is gas, and this will come in the form of vapour. And so the steam from this, you will then be able to inhale, and by sniffing that, there's a real lemony smell, and by deeply inhaling that, can clear the chest or a blocked nose. And then now, we're going to enjoy our tea. Lemony.